Hey there foodies, welcome back to the channel, your ultimate guide to making the most of your Uber Eats experience. Need to add a debit card to your next order? Today I'm going to show you how to add a debit card to your Uber Eats account. Let's dive in. First, open your favorite web browser and go to Uber Eats website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign in. Once you're logged in, click on three lines at the top left corner and select Wallet from the drop-down menu to show your payment methods. In Wallet section, click on Add Payment Method and then select Credit or Debit Card. Enter your debit card information including the card number, expiration date and CVV code. Make sure all the details are correct. After entering your details, click on Add Card or Save. Your debit card information is now securely stored and you are ready to use it for your next Uber Eats order. And that's it. Adding a debit card to Uber Eats is quick and easy. Now you can seamless payments and get your favorite meals delivered faster. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick tips and tricks. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy eating!